This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a pop-up in WordPress website using Elementor. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to create a pop-up. First of all, we will install two plugins. Go to plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here exclusive add-ons for Elementor, and this is the first plugin we are going to install. So install this plugin and activate it. Once done, again search here anywhere Elementor and also install and activate this plugin. And make sure you have installed, activated the Elementor plugin. Once done, press dashboard and click on AE templates and click on add new. And here giving the AE template title pop-up and click on publish. And now click on edit with Elementor. And now we will make our pop-up. So click on add template and here select blocks and select any block from here for your pop-up. Once the block add date for your pop-up, select the section and click on height drop down and here select minimum height and minimum height value, select here 0 and then go to advanced section and here you will get this padding box. So top padding give here 50 and bottom padding give 50 and right padding give 100, left padding 100. And if you want to add a background for your pop-up, then again select the section and click on style. I'm clicking on background overlay and background overlay color. I'm selecting this color and opacity. You can change the opacity for your overlay. And it's time to customize your pop-up box text and images. So select the part that you want to customize and here you can change your pop-up title. You can replace your image by clicking on this image icon, click on choose image, and now let's select a different image. And now you can simply select a different image for your pop-up box. Once done, let's update our pop-up box. Once done, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on AE templates. And here you will get the pop-up template and you will get here your pop-up template shortcode. Just copy this shortcode and now go to the post or page where you want to add the pop-up. So right now I will add my pop-up here. So I'm clicking on this icon and here searching for pop-up. And here you will get model pop-up. Just drag this and put it here. Once it's added, I'm going to remove the icon. And it's time to customize these button. So click on this pencil icon and here you can change, and here click on type of model drop down and select shortcode and paste here the pop-up template shortcode. And now from here you can change the button text. Then again select the button and go to style section, and here you can change the button width, you can change button border radius, you can add button padding, and you can change button background color from here. You can change button text color, and let's update the page. And now let's delete this button. So I'm going to delete this button, and you can drag the button, and you can also change the button position like this. Okay, now let's update our page and reloading my website. And now click here, and here we can see the pop-up. So this is how we can easily add a pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.